So then coloring agent in which the amaranth compound tartazine and green S are basically used, right? So afterward there is a flavoring agent, right? For basically flavoring agent used in case of formulation of non-medicated elixirs, right? Means which contain flavors. So that time also black currant syrup, then raspberry syrup, lemon or orange syrup. This kind of flavoring agent are basically used for the preparing the non-medicated kind of elixirs, right? So after some time, if our medicament has any saline test and or any other bitter test, that time also use the flavoring agent. Okay. And mostly the pediatric preparation are basically use the flavoring agent and coloring agent for attracting or enhancing their attention toward the preparation, right? Then our preservatives, 20% or more in concentration of 20% or more alcohol are added to it to inhibit the growth of mold and fermentation process, right? So actually what happened, there is one concentration that is a 20% or more than 20%. We are use alcohol as a preservative in concentration 20% or more than it, right? And that alcohol more than 20% are help to inhibit the growth of mold is one kind of microorganism which is responsible for decomposition or degradation of the our preparation or ingredient which is present in our elixir preparation, right? And sometime and also prevent the fermentation process, right? Also prevent the fermentation process. Then the fermentation is one kind of chemical reaction, right, which is happen due to the microorganism like yeast, fungi or mold bacteria, right? And in which our the carbohydrate are converted into some acid or some organic solvent, right, or organic substance. It is means it is a one type of degradation process in which the in presence of some bacteria the chemical reaction happened, right? And this is the responsible for degradation of our preparation, right? So this fermentation process and growth of mold are inhibited if we use the alcohol as a preservative with a concentration like 20%, right? Then sometimes the simple syrup also added as a preservative. As we know, the syrup contain a 66.7% weight by volume of sucrose solution in a purified water. Means due to this presence of high amount of sucrose, there is increasing the osmotic pressure, right? And it produces osmotic pressure, higher osmotic pressure. That's why due to higher osmotic pressure, there is a increasing the sucrose converting the into reducing sugar, right? Reducing sugar, and that help to preserve the syrup, right? Means that reducing sugar fight with the microorganism like a mold, then bacteria, then yeast, right? That's why uh, we can use a simple syrup as a preservative, right? Means it help to preserve the our preparation. That's why we can use the simple syrup also, right? There is some example of some preservative which is basically used in the preparation of elixir, right? This preservatives, then flavoring agent, coloring agent, stabilizer are different with the preparation, right? Different kind of preparation we are use different kind of excipients or vehicles or adjuvants also, right? So in which for the preparation of the elixir we can use the preservative as like chloroform water, benzoic acid and methyl paraben, right? These three kind of preservative are generally added, right? And also among them there is a simple syrup also, then alcohol also used as a preservative, right? So it is all about the formulation of our elixir, that is vehicle. This kind of vehicle we can use, right? Then afterward there is some adjuncts like chemical stabilizers, right? then coloring agent, flavoring agent, then preservative. Then our next portion is that is from the elixir, that is storage, right? Then store in well closed airtight glass bottle with the screw closer, right? Means whenever we want going to for the storing of elixir, that time we should use the glass bottle, right? Glass bottle, right? Glass bottle is preferred for the storage of elixir, and that glass bottle have a screw closer, right? Have a screw closer, and with and closed with a airtight, closed with sealed with a airtight, right? And that elixir keep in a cool place and protected from, right? That is advice, that is it is very necessary to protect the our elixir from the light if it contain any light sensitive drug, right? Most of the antibiotics are light sensitive, that time also it is very necessary to place the our preparation away from the light. And also it is very necessary to keep in a cool temperature, otherwise in higher temperature or hot temperature there is also chances of happening the any kind of chemical reaction, right? So it is better to place in cool place, right? So this is the all about our elixir preparation, right? So let's go for our next that is the last one, our last preparation, that is from liquid intended for internal use, right? Means as like we are already covered it the mixture, syrup, then elixirs, right? And this is our last preparation, which is which are we are taking internally, right? That is the linctus, that is the linctus. It is a viscous oral monophasic liquid preparation prescribed for the relief of cough, right? It is a linctus means it is a one type of cough syrup, it is a one type of cough syrup, right? It is a cough syrup, means whatever we use for the coughing purpose, that is our that preparation are called as a linctus. And linctus is a viscous preparation, then monophasic liquid preparation, which is basically used for the relief the cough, whatever either it is a dry cough or a wet cough, right? Means both kind of coughs, in case of both kind of cough we can use the linctus, right? Then linctus generally contain the demulcent, sedative or expectorant or antitussive drug are dispensed in this form. Means demulcent, which produces soothing effect to our respiratory tract or our tract, that is our neck or the trachea, right? And the sedative action means which produce calming sleeping effect, right? That time also expectorant, also whenever we need to expel out our cough, right? That time also use the expectorant linctus. Then also the antitussive means the agent which responsible for suppressing the cough, means that help to decrease the formation of cough, means help to minimize the formation of cough, right? Means production of cough are decreased or minimized by antitussive drug, right? So this kind of category of drug are basically dispensed in the form of linctus, right? Then linctus should be swallowed slowly without using water for a prolonged effect of drug. Means there is some advice to the patient whenever he um, whenever he is going to swallow the or drink the linctus, that time there is a he should be swallowed the linctus without using any kind of any water, right? Means without water we have to need to swallow that, right? And that is this is because the our prolong to achieve the prolonged effect of drug, right? मीन्स जब भी हम लिंक्टस या फिर कफ साइरप लेते तो एक डॉक्टर एडवाइस देते हैं कि इसे पानी के साथ ना ले, या फिर आफ्टर सॉलोइंग we are not take any water, right? Means without water we have to take it, right? So it is general about our linctus. Then forwarded toward the formulation of linctus, right? There is also need of vehicle and adjuncts, right? So vehicle, generally simple syrup used as a vehicle in most of the linctus, means simple syrup is generally take choose for the preparation of linctus, right, as a vehicle. The simple syrup tolu used in the certain cases because its aromatic odor and flavor. Also, sometimes this simple syrup tolu also used as a vehicle also, whenever we need to uh, give a flavor to the syrup, that is aromatic odor. For the aromatic purpose or flavor purpose, we can use the syrup tolu as a vehicle also. Invert sugar, glycerin, sorbitol solution are also used. Sometime also invert sugar, then glycerin, then sorbitol solution are also we can used, right. Means this is that selection are depend on the our character or nature of our active drug, right. Then adjuncts, there is also same adjuncts for the preparation of linctus also, that is chemical stabilizer, coloring agent, flavoring agent, preservative, right. So the chemical stabilizer, most of the linctus are stable due to presence of syrup, hence no need to add it, right. Means most of these linctus are used made up of with a syrup, simple syrup, right. Means simple syrup, most of the linctus are used with the simple syrup. That's why is no need of any stabilizer, because the syrup already contain stabilizers, right. That's why we not need to add any kind of stabilizers in the linctus preparation, right. Then coloring agent, coal tar dyes are used as a coloring agent, like compound tartazine solution, right. Compound tartazine solution are generally selected for the linctus, right. Then flavoring agent, then lemon and black currant syrup are used, but oxymel and benzaldehyde spirit, that is almond flavor, are basically used, right. Means lemon syrup, if you need to give a lemon order to our preparation, that time lemon syrup used, otherwise black currant syrup also used. Then nowadays means basically this is zymel, oxymel and benzaldehyde spirit, means it has a almond like flavor. That's why whenever you need to change or give a almond flavor to our preparation, that time we can use the benzaldehyde spirit, right. That is it's because it's give of almond flavor, and it is a very pleasant, it's give a very pleasant flavor also, right. Then preservatives, when syrup is used, then no need to add a preservative, as like our stabilizer also, there is also it contains a syrup, right. And syrup itself has a work as a preservative also, because it has a reducing sugar, right. And that's why it has also high osmotic pressure. That's why our microorganism like mold, yeast, bacteria are not properly grow in preparation, right. That's why also there is a no need to use a preservative also, right. But syrup tolu has a mild antibacterial action because presence of benzoic acid and cinnamic acid in it. Means if we use a simple syrup as a vehicle, that time no need to add any kind of preservative. But if we use a syrup tolu, that time we need to there is a add of some preservative also, because that the simple syrup contain various kind of chemical also, like benzoic acid and cinnamic acid. Due to presence of these two kind of other chemicals in syrup tolu, it that time it has a mild antibacterial action, right. It has a mild antibacterial action, means ये जो केमिकल है ये प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से उसका जो एंटीबैक्टीरियल एक्शन है वो कम हो जाता है, इसकी वजह से दैट्स वाई व्हेन एवर वी गोइंग टू we are going to add a simple syrup tolu as a vehicle, that time we need to add a preservative, right, because of this reason, presence of these two kind of chemicals. That's why it has a mild antibacterial action. Then linctus which are made by water sorbitol usually preserved by the adding the chloroform and benzoic acid. If we take a water as a vehicle or sorbitol as a vehicle, that time we need to add a chloroform or benzoic acid for the preservation as a preservative. for the preserving purpose, right? So this is the very important to remember this whenever we are going to